Assalamualaikum. So we are going to present to you about seedless fruit. I'm going to introducing my groupmate. So we have Nur Nadira, we have Amirul Hakimi, we have Fatima Azhar, which is me, and we have Nureen Tahira. So we will explain about introduction of seedless fruit. Secondly is how does seedless fruit propagated. Third one is advantages and disadvantages of seedless fruit, and the fourth one or last one is consequence of seedless fruit process to mankind and agriculture. So I will explain introduction about seedless fruit. So a seedless fruit is a fruit developed to possess no mature seeds. Since eating seedless fruit is generally easier and more convenient, they are considered commercially valuable. They are an example of seedless fruit such as watermelon, grape, and also tomatoes. Additionally, there are numerous seedless citrus fruits such as orange, lemons, and lime.
Process to propagate seedless fruit.
Okay, for the next part is parthenocarpy. Parthenocarpy is a part of process that propagate in seedless fruit. Parthenocarpy is a production of fruit without the fertilization of ovules by treating the flowers by phytohormones before pollination. The word parthenocarpy was introduced by Noel in 1902 from two Greek words, which parthenos mean virgin and karpos mean fruits. Parthenocarpy is a natural genetic mutation, or which parthenocarpy is from pollination failure or non-functional eggs or sperm from male gamete with female gamete. Seedless fruit can occur when the ovary develops directly without fertilization, or when pollination and fertilization trigger ovary development by the ovule or embryo aborts without producing mature seed, as we call spermocarpy. There are three different hormones that are responsible for parthenocarpy, which is auxin, gibberellin, and cytokinin. Example, we have seedless grape. There are two different groups that we call seedless. One is parthenocarpy, meaning that they will develop without fertilization, and the other one is called stenospermocarpy, which fertilization actually occurred, but seed development aborts and soft seed traces are left in fruits. Stenospermocarpic varieties have the advantage of growing full-size fruit, while parthenocarpic, truly seedless grape, and tend to be smaller.
We know that parthenocarpy is influenced by the phytohormone. The first phytohormone is auxin. Auxin is one of the phytohormone that responsible undergoes parthenocarpy. Auxin hormone plays a crucial role in regulating various growth and development process in plants. Auxin can be found in shoot and root tip. They promote cell elongation, which leads to extension of plants' organs such as stems and roots. Auxins also regulate the direction of plant growth, known as phototropism, and by promoting the growth of cells on the shaded side of a plant stem. Additionally, auxins are involved in the regulation of bud formation, fruit development, and seed germination. The balance and distribution of auxin in a plant are tightly regulated by various factors including light, gravity, and touch.
Next, we have what is gibberellin. Gibberellin is a class of plant hormones that play a key role in regulating various growth and developmental processes in plants. These hormones are usually involved in promoting stem elongation, fruit development, flowering, and germination of seeds. Gibberellin are part of a complex network of plant hormones that work together to coordinate different aspects of plant growth and responses to environmental stimuli. For example, we have dwarf pea. Dwarf pea plants have expanded leaves and short internodes, but the internodes expand and looks like tall plants when treated with gerbilin acid. For the third one, we have what is cytokinin? Cytokinin is a signaling molecule for regulating growth and development throughout the life of the plant. Usually, cytokinin synthesized in area of active growth, like in the root tips, shoot tips, and developing seeds. There are some function in cytokinin. First one, we have cytokinin promote cell division, especially in meristematic tissue where growth and development occur. This is essential for the formation of new tissues, organs, and overall plant growth. Second, cytokinin help in delaying the aging process. Cytokinin promoting cell division and maintaining the overall health of cells. Cytokinins contribute to longevity of leaves and other plant organs. For the third one, cytokinin interact with other plant hormones such as auxins and gibberellins to coordinate various psychological processes. The balance between different hormones are crucial for proper plant growth and responses to environmental stimuli. In conclusion, cytokinin plays important part in controlling plant growth and development.
So the next is the advantages of seedless fruit. We have three of the advantages, which is seed cavity can be filled with fruit tissue, fruit quality, and the last one is carbohydrate, carotenoids, and essential oil. The first one is seed cavity can be filled with fruit tissue. The consumer finds this more appealing when edible fruit tissue is used in place of the seeds and their cavities, such as seedless pickled gherkin is more crunchy, firmer, and fleshier than its seeded variety. We also know that the seedless fruit is stronger and juicy than the seeded variety. One could predict that species with large seeds, such as peaches and mango, or those with large cavities filled with many seeds like melons and papaya, may benefit even more from this characteristic. The second one is fruit quality. Fruits without seeds have numerous advantages for taste. Seeds can be harmful, have an unpleasant taste, and are frequently hard. For instance, grapeseed have been known to cause digestive issue. Additionally, if the cavities in the seeds and their cavities are replaced with edible fruit tissue, this is more attractive to the consumer. The pickled gherkin without seeds is a prime example of this, which is it is crispier, firmer, and flakier texture than its seeded counterpart. It is possible to speculate that this advantage might be even greater for species with a large seed, such as peaches and mangoes. The last one is carbohydrate, carotenoids, and the essential oil. There are three such simple sugars such as fructose, glucose, and sucrose. The function of that are to make up the majority of the soluble solid in citrus juice and are the primary sources of carbohydrates in citrus fruit. And the three of that ratios are typically around 1:1:2, which is sucrose was present in the highest amount in all of the clones, and the percentage was similar for the irradiate Moncada clone under study, according to a study by 18 using mandarin variety to create seedless clone by radiation. Regarding carotenoids, B-carotene was found to be significantly elevated in clones and limonene, a highly essential oil found in citrus fruit. It was to be significantly higher in irradiate clones than in control ones. So the next is the disadvantages of seedless fruit. There are three of these advantages of seedless fruit, which is lack of stability and uniformity in the expression of phanerogaphy, small size of fruit, and the last one is malformed fruits. Firstly, lack of stability and uniformity in the expression of phanerogaphy. Phanerogaphy's expression in the fruit is incredibly unstable and were different. Phanerogaphy is still shown in many fruits cultivars, but it is unstable in cultivars like mango and mangosteen. Secondly, fruit that are phenographic typically have a small size. This could caused by a number of factors, including hormonal change in the fruit brought on by the lack of seeds, and the seed spacing is going to be taken to consideration. The last one is malformed fruit. Phenographic fruit can sometimes result in a malformed fruit with the cause by being a hormonal imbalance during fruit development.
The consequences of this process to mankind and agriculture. The consequences of parthenocarpy to mankind and agriculture have both positive and negative. The positive consequences: firstly, improve fruit ripening. Parthenocarpy can improve fruit ripening as it allows crops to develop fruit without relying on pollination, which can due to result in delayed fruit ripening process due to the presence of seeds. This is because parthenocarpic fruits do not have seeds, which can speed up the ripening process and improve the overall quality of fruits. Second is higher crop yields. Higher crop yields. Parthenocarpy can lead to higher crop yields as it eliminates the need for pollination, which can be affected by weather conditions or the absence of pollinators. The third one is improved quality of fruits. Parthenocarpy can result in better fruit quality as it allows for more consistent fruit size, shape and color. This is because parthenocarpic fruits do not rely on pollination to develop, which can result in variations in fruit size and shape due to difference in pollen viability and fertilization success. The negative consequences is higher production cost. Parthenocarpy can increase production cost as it requires specialized technique and technologies to induce parthenocarpy in crops. This is because parthenocarpy is a complex biological process that requires careful management to ensure successful fruit development. Next is lower nutritional value. Parthenocarpic fruits may have lower nutritional value due to reduced seed development, which have implications for human health and nutrition. This is because seeds are a rich source of protein, vitamins and minerals, and their absence can reduce the overall nutritional value of fruit. Lastly, environmental concerns. The use of chemical to induce parthenocarpy in crops can have environmental concerns such as pollution and contamination of soil and water sources. Additionally, the reduced seed production associated with parthenocarpy could have implications for soil fertility and crop rotation practices over time. The conclusion: the decision to use parthenocarpy in agriculture would be based on a careful assessment of specific crop growing conditions, economic and environmental concerns. However, it should not be relied upon as a solution for all agricultural problems or as a substitute for sustainable farming practices. In summary, while parthenocarpy has its benefits, it should be used judiciously and in a responsible manner that considers its potential drawbacks and impacts on the environment and society as a whole. So this is the references we use to make this video.